also do a little more on this general air dryer. I did give this a bit of a wipe down. Not perfect, but again, it's better than it was. This is a Canadian unit, so I will have to talk to some people I know in Canada to see if they can give me some information on this as far as production dates and such goes. I'm still saying probably earlier 90s, late 80s. Definitely nothing after like 95-ish, I would say. Do need a knob. In Canada. She's nice and cold. And it sensed it was ready to shut off. Sometimes these you can short cycle and they come right back on. It's weird, right? Dehumidifiers let you do it. Air conditioners don't. It's got to be a setting with the compressor. But yeah, so anyway, there's the air dryer put back together. So I'm going to shut that off because I actually need to plug the Frigidaire back in, but I'm not going to do that until I'm done with the units. So as stated in the previous video, the 73 Weathermate is back in its case. And here we have from another previous video, the GM Frigidaire. I don't know what the model of this is called, so if anyone knows what this model's nickname is, I am curious to know. Hello. The AKs almost remind me of a pancake, the buzziness. And then the AJ is like a industrial AE, almost, as Buddy said. It makes sense though, because it really does. Good old GM. Yeah, I'm glad I decided not to sell this. My little 70s Kmart Lakewood, yeah. A little 1985 Whirlpool and a 1995 Roper Whirlpool, both with Matsushita rotaries, FSP fan motor, universal electric fan motor. Both of these need homes. That stays, and this stays. That stays. That's spoken for. That doesn't work. That needs a home. That's spoken for. That needs a home. That here carrier needs a home. Kenmore spoken for. Fetters EQK needs a home. And that's spoken for. This GM is nice. This thing's heavy as hell. This finger, it landed on it, and for months it still feels weird there. And that was in November. I am okay, but yeah, it feels a little weird. That thing was heavy. And I'm not bitter much. Stupid ex was yelling at me when I was carrying this up to the attic and said something because I got ticked and whacked something because I got cut by the air conditioner. And I was, shut the fuck up. That's what I said. But yeah. Well, guess what? He has no air conditioners because they were given away and one broke. And we were using my Bertha, my 75 Weathermate, and the Slicer EQK, my great grandma's 2 units. And now, all 3 of those are childhood ones. Now, those are back here with me, 2 of which are installed, and he's got none. The Gold Star is still in my friend's garage. I don't want it, so it's probably going to go to the trash. I still wish I had my temp gun. Yeah, I'm pooped for the day. I'm not going to take this out of the case. Plus, then that means I got to move that carrier, and neither of these are the lightest things in the world, especially not this.